So, a very good evening to all of you guys. And I am your trading guide, and I welcome you all on your own website www.yourtradingguide.com. So, guys, how are you? Yes, we are meeting after a long time. Um, so, how's you doing, guys? Yes, how's your trading going on? I hope that all of you are making lots of money. Yeah, and today we came up with the special session on the commodities, guys, since we received a lots of email, and some people called us to share some ideas on the commodities as well. And since we are teaching the commodities to our students also, so we decided to make some videos on the commodities, and to make it more beneficial to everyone, we have decided to make a separate video on every commodity. Like we have 5 metals, so on the individual metal we'll discuss about 10 minutes on individual metal, and that is how we'll post the analysis on the every metal, oil and gas, yeah, and the precious metal, gold and silver also. So let's start with the nickel. Today we decided to came up with the nickel chart, and yeah guys, so are you all ready to have a deep analysis on the nickel? Yes, fantastic guys, let's start the analysis. And to start with, I'll start with the monthly chart of the nickel, so that we can have a complete overview that what is happening and what is likely to happen. Yes, all right. So if you can see from 2005, nickel has started moving up, and you can see the kind of movement we had from 443 till about 2243. Yeah, so it was a very glorious period of the metals and nickel as well. And after that you can see this crash, yeah, in metals and especially in nickel. Yeah guys, so this up and down move also gives you a lesson. Yeah, think about it guys. Let's forget that something happened after this. If you only look at this much period of the nickel, what you can learn from here? Yeah, what I can learn from here is that there is no need of being greedy into the stock market. Yes, any script, whether it is equity or commodity, it goes up, it comes down, and this is the way the stock market is made. Yeah, so no need to be get tempted or to get greedy, or to give to over leverage yourself. Yeah, so guys, always try to catch the trend. If you've been buyer here at any point of time, you must have rewarded. And when the trend was down, if you had seller, if you had turned seller, at any point of time you have been rewarded. So the message looking at this picture is that try to get the trend and try to be with the trend. Yeah, I hope this is clear to all of you guys. Fine, let's move on. What I have seen after that, yes, from it made a bottom and then again it went up, then it retraced a little, then went up, and finally it came down again to this area where it had bottomed out. Yeah, now looking at the recent price action, what I can see here, that it has made a classical double bottom. Guys, this is a 2.5 months apart double bottom, so it is one of the classical pattern that nickel has made. And this was the month of April when the nickel spiked up, and it almost completed this double bottom and then came down. Yes, so looking at the broader picture, what I can conclude is that yes, on the broader time frame, yes, the nickel is in a sideways trend. Yeah, clear to everybody? Let's move to the weekly chart now. Now, looking at the weekly chart, what I can see here is yes, right from here 556, 557 areas, it moved till about a 1098. So yes, on the weekly, what is the trend? Yes guys, very simple answer. Draw a trend line, and where it is headed? It is headed up, so the trend is up. And most importantly, there is no sign of reversal. Yes, some of you may call this as a candlestick pattern, bearish candlestick pattern, but yes, after this bearish candlestick pattern, the prices again started moving up. So it formed a pattern, but there is no clear sign of reversal. And till the time we don't have that sign, the trend is intact. Yes guys, hope you are able to understand this. Now let's go to the smaller time frame, that is a daily time frame. And what I can see here is yes, it's been into a stellar uptrend, and after that we can see this fall. Yeah, and after the fall, it's been consolidating for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 days, and today it is trying to break this consolidation range. Yes, and what is the trend on the daily chart? It is up, and here it became sideways, so the trend is sideways to up. It is neither it is neither up nor sideways only, it is sideways to uptrend. Now tell me, if the trend is sideways to up, what should be your strategy be? Yeah, the answer is very easy. It is a no brainer answer guys. You should be a buyer, because the broader trend is up. We have gone through the weekly and monthly charts. It is moving up, means on the bigger time frames, yes, the trend is up. And if the trend is up and on the daily charts I got a consolidation, ideally my strategy should be to become a buyer. Yeah, and to buy, let's go to the hourly chart. Before that, let's go to the 4 hours chart, and what I can see here is yes, still it is consolidating into this range. Yes guys, it's still consolidating. Today it made a new high and broke this high, but still there it has not went significantly up. Now going to the hourly chart, what I can see here, that yeah, nickel seems more poised to go up. Yes, the way it is moving up, it is more poised to go up. So my sense is that that you should turn a buyer, and no wonder if in coming days nickel comes around 970 to 990 areas. Yes, so this was all about the nickel guys, and on the later videos we'll discuss about the more commodities. Hope you liked this, and this is useful to you. Thank you so much guys, all the very best to all of you. Bye bye, take care.